If you are constantly juggling windows on your laptop, the QQH Laptop Screen Extender might be exactly what you need. This portable monitor solution aims to transform your single laptop into a triple-screen powerhouse, boosting your productivity wherever you go. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core features and design of the QQH Laptop Screen Extender. The dual 15.6-inch FHD IPS displays offer a good visual experience with clear 1080p resolution and a respectable 300 nits. Its upgraded aluminum alloy construction and CNC cutting process indicate a very durable and premium build that should withstand regular. The one-cable USB-C or USB-A connection is a significant convenience, making setup much cleaner and reducing desk clutter effectively. With extended, mirror, and presentation modes, plus 360-degree rotation and an integrated stand, it offers impressive versatility for any workflow. Overall, the QQH Laptop Screen Extender presents a compelling package of features and solid construction. Next, we examine the practicality and overall value of the QQH Laptop Screen Extender. While it claims to be plug-and-play, the necessity of an initial driver installation for all systems does add a minor. Its compatibility spans Chrome OS, Windows, Android, Linux, and even Mac OS, including the latest M-series chips, making it highly versatile. The individual screens boast an ultra-slim Zero. At $219.99, it offers good value for a dual 15. Considering its features and price, the QQH Laptop Screen Extender offers good value for users seeking. The QQH Laptop Screen Extender delivers on its promise of expanding your workspace, making it a compelling option for anyone needing serious screen real estate on the move. While the initial driver installation adds a step, the robust build, wide compatibility, and versatile display modes make it a strong contender for mobile productivity.